Samsung Galaxy phones now can have these brand new custom volume controllers without the need for any app from the Play Store. You can have these beautiful volume sliders on any Samsung phone that supports Goodlock and runs on One UI 5 and above. So whenever you press your volume buttons, you get these colorful controllers and volume panels to adjust the volume. To get these, simply launch the Goodlock app, go to the Life Up section and tap on the Sound Assistant module. If you don't have this installed already, click on More and install it from the Galaxy Store. Make sure it's updated to the latest version if you have it installed already on your phone. Now tap on the Sound Assistant, then tap on this Make Your Own Volume Panel Colors option and then enable the Flex Volume UI. You can disable it at any time if you want to use the default volume panel. As soon as you enable it, your volume controller will be changed to this. You can further customize it to your taste with a bunch of various available color lighting effects. Simply scroll among these lighting effects and tap on the one you like. Not only the color lighting effects, but you can also choose the texture and the shape of the volume controller. For now, it offers only 2 textures and 2 shapes, volume bar and a circular knob. Choose the shape you like, then apply different color lighting effects to your taste. I really like these unique styles, especially this retro style volume knob. All of them are unique and vibrant, and you don't need to install any third-party app from the Play Store to get these. So that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts on the video in the comments. Like the video if you found it informative and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.